Tired of sounding like you memorized an English textbook? Want to speak English like Iron Man, not a grammar robot? Then stop what you're doing and let Hollywood teach you English the right way. Today we're diving into real movie phrases that you can actually use in everyday conversations. Let's go. Here's a secret. Fluent English speakers don't use complicated grammar in daily life. They use phrases. Short, simple, natural expressions that make you sound confident and relaxed. Things like, I'm in. No worries. It's not rocket science. When you learn these phrases, something amazing happens. You stop translating. You start responding. You feel more fluent, more natural, like a native. And guess what? Many of these phrases come straight from movies you probably love. Let's start with a classic from The Princess Bride. I'm all ears. This doesn't mean the person became ears. It just means I'm listening. Go ahead. Example. Your friend says, "Can I tell you something important?" You say, "Of course, I'm all ears." It's short, friendly, and native-level cool. All right, let's cut to the chase, literally. In The Godfather, when things get serious, they drop the small talk and say, "Let's cut to the chase." It means, let's skip the boring stuff and get to the point. Use it when someone's talking forever and you need the juicy part. Example, I don't need the whole story, just cut to the chase. Did you get the job or not? Powerful, efficient, just like a mafia boss. Heard in The Avengers and a million other movies. You've got this. It's the ultimate encouragement. Use it when someone is nervous, like before a test or a presentation. Don't worry, you've got this. Bonus, say it to yourself in the mirror. It's 50% English lesson, 50% self-confidence boost. Now the fun part. Using these in real life. Next time your friend talks too much, hey, cut to the chase. When your colleague shares something, I'm all ears. When your brother is scared to talk to his crush, you've got this. See? English becomes way more fun when you live it, not just learn it. You can even make it a game. Pick one phrase a day, use it 3 times, and boom, it becomes part of your vocabulary. Want more? Don't just stop at movies. Listen to music, podcasts, Netflix series, and a YouTube channel like ours. Here's a quick challenge. Watch 10 minutes of your favorite movie. Write down 3 phrases, then use them in your own sentences. Learning English like this is faster, more natural, and way more fun than filling grammar worksheets. So let's recap. Phrases make you sound fluent. Movies make learning fun. And with a little practice, you'll speak English like a native. Now your turn. Drop a comment. What's your favorite English phrase from a movie? Or better, use one of today's phrases in a sentence. I'll reply to the best ones. If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell because we drop new videos every single day to help you master English.
The woman was shocked. Miracles? What are you, a magician?
No, said the rich man. I'm a man who loves you. And love can make miracles. But she wasn't convinced. Yet. Still, the man came again and again. Soon the woman asked her husband, "Do you love me?" "Of course I do." "Then make me a miracle." The poor man was stunned. A miracle? What is happening? So he did what any man in a story would do. He prayed. Dear God, help me. I love my wife, but I can't compete with a rich magician. And guess what? A wizard appeared. Here are 2 magic sticks, said the wizard. Touch someone with the first, they become a donkey. Touch them with the second, they turn back. The poor man was thrilled. He ran home. Wife, come here, time for a miracle. He tapped her with the first stick. Poof! She became a donkey. Hee-haw! Hee-haw! Then he changed her back. That's the miracle. She was amazed. Wow, you really love me. But the poor man wasn't done. Now let's punish our neighbor. He gave the stick to his wife. Touch him. Let's see if his love makes miracles. Next day, the rich man came. Boom! Donkey time. He worked the fields, carried stones, groceries too, for years, until he grew old and tired. The poor man used the second stick. You tried to take my wife. You made her forget love. Now go. Don't come back. The rich man left in shame, and the poor couple lived happily ever after. See you in the next story. Bye for now.